Yes. Hit yes. This picture, by the way, is so cool. That's simple. So change intervals, maybe 0.5 days. Does it work? How the Fibonacci works for Bitcoin right now. Yeah, I mean, you can just play around with these. What's up, everyone? This is Dr. Tay from 5Quant. Welcome to a new extra episode, I would call, in our quant trading series. So far, we have talked about strategy, risk management, and backtesting. But there's a crucial question we need to answer. Where do we actually do all of this analysis? Today, we are taking a step back to introduce one of the most powerful and popular tools for traders and analysts around the world, TradingView. Think of TradingView as your command center. It's where you will look at charts, test ideas, and spot potential trade setups. The best part, you can get started with a powerful free version. It's just free. In this video, I will walk you through the absolute basics to get you up and running in just a few minutes. We'll cover 4 key things: setting up your chart, adding indicators, using basic drawing tools, and creating watch list. Let's dive in. So go to Google, type in TradingView, hit enter, and you'll see those tradingview.com website. Just click it and you'll get those cool landing pages here. Very fancy and nice. You can just navigate them through. And first of all, you gotta sign up here. Sign in with Google. This is the simplest way. 5Quant will be joining. Quickly look first and then leave. So I don't have an account with this Gmail account not found. Want to create a new one? Yes. Hit yes. This picture, by the way, is so cool. I'm gonna call it as 5Quant. I don't want to receive marketing emails. I have agreed. Okay, there we go. That's simple. So as you see the watch list on the right side, Apple, etc., etc. So hit this X button. Now you see the basic charts, market summary, community ideas, indicators and strategies. You can just navigate through those cool charts made by other people, other traders. US stocks, highest volume stocks, volatility stocks, stock gainers, losers, earning calendars. Portland General Electric has earning calendar coming. Crypto as well. TradingView. Good thing about TradingView is it covers entire equity and crypto market. And you can also share some trade ideas on here, like a blog. So those are so cool features. So let's get into their super chart. If you see this icon here, you can now get into the real game of the chart. That's so cool. This is S&P 500. So let's do some Tesla this time. Tesla. And you see the NASDAQ Tesla Inc. This is the chart of Tesla. I hope you're following with me. And one day, change intervals. Maybe 0.5 days. Does it work? No. 30 days. 30 minutes. Okay. Then 1 minute. You can switch around this. 60 minutes. In 5 days, 1 day, 1 year, you can switch around those. And most importantly, you can add your own watch list. So this add symbol, let's say we want to see the Apple. Click this and press this cross button, add to watch list. And it will add it to your Apple under the lowest part of this basket. So you can drag around here. By the way, those future forex, I did not change anything. I just signed in, so it automatically gave me those lists. You can definitely delete them around. If you don't need this, you can just click this trash icon. Let's clean it up. Tesla, Netflix, okay, and other gold and silvers, crypto, maybe just Bitcoin. There we go. So this is the main chart. They call it super chart. For free, you can put limited amount of companies on the watch list, and some features are limited. You can just navigate through their official websites. So as we learned before, we gotta add some indicators. Let's click this indicator and technical. You can search like MACD, MACD. There we go. MACD, and you'll see the default setting is 12 days and 26 days, right? So if you go to settings, you can change those with EMA, SMA, styles, colors, all of these. You can make it more solid, make it bold, like this. So cool. And also another one, moving average, MA cross. This is our strategy, MA cross. You click the settings. Let's say we did short term 8, 22 on long term. Click here. And you'll see those cross marks, right? This is where the golden cross or death cross happens. Golden cross, death cross, golden death, and death. So this is very simple. You can just set it up. You can just play with these and you'll get all kinds of functions for free. You can draw those cool technical analysis lines. You can do some Fibonacci's, which I will cover later session. Like where is the Fibonacci? Elliott wave fifth retracement. This one is so cool too. We draw like this. This is the most famous tool for trading. See how the Fibonacci works for Bitcoin right now. Yeah, I mean, you can just play around with these, but basically we added MA cross strategy and also the MACD indicator on here. Now you can trade with your own strategy. You can draw the trend line, horizontal lines, like if you click, this horizontal line, you can draw around like this. This is like maybe resistance. It break through already. Yep, I see the volumes on the bottom here, so and so. So you can also create those watch lists. You can change the name of this folder, stocks, I would say MACD strategies, right? Apple, Tesla, Netflix, you play around those. I just wanted to give you some feel and flavor of the TradingView. If you go to any other different channel, everybody will use this platform called TradingView. Even all over the world, like even Korea, Japan, in Asian countries, they have their own broker firms, but for their charts they use TradingView. This is so comfortable, convenient, and so good. So that's it. In less than maybe 5 or 10 minutes, you have learned 4 fundamental skills: navigating the chart, adding the technical indicators like MACD, using drawing tools like Fibonacci retracement, and setting up a watch list to keep your favorite assets organized. Your homework is very simple. Open up the TradingView and just play around. Click every button, draw some lines, draw some pictures, add a few indicators. The more comfortable you get with the platform, the faster and more effective your analysis will become. Thanks for tuning in to Vibe Quant. If this tutorial helped you, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Peace!